was such a long time after the pirate villain army was no more. These two shelter on the beach, somewhere here on Cocoa Beach, Florida. These two guys are up to find his stolen plans from Dr. Fedrenboss. They had to find a map to Sinbad. Sinbad was banished by Dr. Fedrenboss after his final plan to start. But then, some people will have to find Sinbad until his mission about to start. Because, after the race ends on London of Season 1 of Woody Woodpecker Racing Series, Woody Woodpecker has won the race, and he gets to win this cake. But then, hey narrator, keep it going. Oh, sorry. Now let's go find out. Hey Chief, how long were you to here at the beach? I'm not sure. Here on this beach, it's kinda cool. And don't worry, we're about to find Sinbad here somewhere. What's he going? What was that? What? But that's impossible. Uh-oh, we got companies. You, go to the ship and hide in here. Got it. We'll handle this. Whoa. Don't worry, everything's gonna be fine. Oh, hold on. We're under attack. Come on, let's join them. Come on. Come on. No. Ah. No. My soldiers. Ah. No. This is for real good. Quick, grab the gun. Hold on. So you guys are up to something to try to kill me, huh? I don't know what you're talking. Give me what? The map to Sinbad. Don't you know? I banished him after his father died during at this goat stampede. You gotta give it to me and my feather minions. You can't win. But Dr. Fedrenboss, you're not gonna win this time from me. You're so right. What? No, Shay. No. You think you shall kill me and get away for it? Feather? Hey you. Checking in here. Nothing in here, sir. Or him either. We'll send him away and put him to jail. And give me some cards. Oh, what about the villagers? Oh yeah. Kill them. Got it. Got it, Chief. Come on, let them have it. Take that, and that, and that, and that. Oh, I have the bigger gun. Don't worry, Sinbad. I'm coming for you. Now you're mine. Hello? Attack on the beach. Okay. Okay, I'm on my way. Right. Okay. It's showtime. Okay, we are ready. Oh, hello, Racer fans. Welcome to the first episode of Season 2, Woody Woodpecker Racing. And today, we have moved it to England into Daytona Beach. And Woody Woodpecker goes to challenge the annoying Orange, the championship of Daytona Beach, Florida. But Orange is not here. Yeah, I know. He'll be here any minute. Oh, I gotta get some soda. Oh, and I'll shave it for you. Oh, I love to. Yes, I love to be on Season 2. Next race in Daytona Beach, Florida. Okay, so how can I fix my car? Start, Bob, Banakima, see Kevin. We'll show him. Okay, I'm ready to do this. Tell me about it, Combo. I am ready. Hey, Steven, are you inside in the cart? Yes, I'm inside. Don't worry, I'll win this time. Does anyone sing Is Red Wolf or Orange? Okay, my cart is almost ready, but it didn't finish. Say, Woody, I want you to finish this race on Season 2. And I thank you for winning this race to beat Kevin. No problem with that. Okay, racers, if Orange is not done... no, I can't find any tools. Oh. Does anyone see Airboy? He'll be here any minute now. Well, racers, looks like we have difficulties, but don't worry, he'll be started someday. Whoops. Sorry, racers. I guess we have one racer is missing. It's Airboy Judson and his space scooter. Don't worry, we'll be back shortly after the break. Stay tuned. Okay. Okay, does anyone here? Okay, why the heck am I here? We need all the powers we could trick the characters. And besides, Captain D. Pachimo won't answer my calls. He just failed me. He's in jail in London at the final race because he lost his apprentice Beardo Arc. So anyone else got it? Yes, sir. Whatever. Okay, let's start it. Come on. I hope no one can see me here. Anakima. Bloca.